Welcome. In today's video, we'll be focusing on an important topic that many people need guidance on: how to report a Facebook profile photo. Whether it's inappropriate content or simply something that makes you uncomfortable, you have the power to take action. This updated guide will walk you through the steps to protect your Facebook experience. Let's dive straight into it. Step 1. First, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account to access everything seamlessly. Step 2. Now navigate to the profile photo that you want to report. This can be a friend's photo or anything that you feel doesn't belong on the platform. Step 3. When you find the photo, tap on it to open it in full view. This will give you the best opportunity to assess what issues the photo may have. Step 4. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll see 3 dots. Tap on those dots to reveal a menu of options. This is where you can take action regarding the photo. Step 5. Finally, tap on Report Photo. You'll be prompted to complete a few options regarding the nature of your report. Select the most appropriate choices, then submit your report. It's that simple. Reporting a photo on Facebook can seem straightforward, but it's a crucial step in maintaining a safe online community. Remember that your voice matters. If you see something that doesn't align with the community guidelines, don't hesitate to report it. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe for more updates and tips on navigating your social media experience.